This is Falkenberg Road Jail, the biggest correctional facility in all of Tampa Bay. There are 3,200 inmates, and among them, more than 30% are suffering from a mental illness.
The people that just don't know.
Frank Chapman is one of them.
What it is that you're experiencing, they just can't fathom it. You know, oh, he talks crazy stuff out of his head.
Chapman says for many years, his mind has gone in and out of psychosis, affecting his behavior.
Out there, I was reaching out to the proper places to try and get help, and I was getting prescriptions with no money to get the medication.
On the street, they cannot get their medications, or they don't continue the medications for various reasons. So to feed that habit, they fall into the same cycle that a lot of other people do that are drug addicts.
Committing crimes to get a fix and ending up in jail. At Falkenberg Road, there's a new approach to treating inmates with mental illness, a change from the days of isolating them from general population.
Research shows that the longer you keep a mentally ill person behind glass in segregation, the more their symptoms deteriorate, the more their behavior deteriorates, the more their health will deteriorate.
In the Mental Health Stabilization Unit, Major Michael Ferrier says inmates get counseling from professionals through a company called NaphCare. Treatment and diagnosis begins at intake.
We have basically an ER triage up front that has a nurse practitioner, RNs, paramedic, and a mental health professional up there 24/7.
Group sessions are part of the treatment process, a time when inmates get to talk to others who can relate to their illnesses.
This is the first time I've been in and out of trouble a lot, and this is the first facility I've ever been at that offers something like this.
The goal is to graduate inmates out of the mental health unit and into the jail's general population. By the numbers, this program is working. In less than a year, 46 inmates have advanced to general population. Not one of them has returned to the mental health unit or been back in isolation. Chapman says he's grateful for his progress.
From where I was at to where I am now, I would trade not the 5 years in for anything. I don't feel like I've wasted one day. One day of the 5 years that I've been locked up has not been wasted.
For the Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office, I'm Crystal Clark.